So I'll be talking about my project, which is entitled Market Structure Explorer. So assets in the market are correlated, and people make use of these correlations to have a better understanding of what's happening in the financial markets. So one way they make use of these correlations is by converting them into distances using the following formula. So what this formula does is it makes positively correlated assets closer in distance, while those that are negatively correlated will be farther in distance. So to see how all of these assets are connected, you can make use of MSTs. So when you open my folder, you'll see two Python files. The code.py are all the functions in the back that you'll need. And the app.py is the portal to the Streamlit app that I created. So to access the Streamlit app, you open your terminal and you input Streamlit run app.py, and then you hit enter. And then it'll automatically lead you to this app. So six inputs will be required of you for you to run the analysis. So you have the assets that you want to study. So for this example, you have Apple, Microsoft, Google, and NVIDIA, and then the start and end dates for all the asset returns that you want to see. These, and then we will be making use of rolling windows to collect different MSD lengths for different periods to detect regimes that happened in the past in the market. So recoveries, crises, etc. So when you hit run analysis, you will see the full network of assets. So how each one is related to the other, and then the MST that will result from the network. And then making use of rolling windows, you'll be able to create this graph. So when you have a lower MST length that's equal to the assets being more correlated to each other, which means that there isn't much room for diversification, which leads to a crisis, which, as you can see, are the red portions of the graph. You can also make use of the correlations to cluster your assets. So the more correlated they are, the more clustered closely they'll be. And then making use of these clusters and correlations, you can finally build a portfolio of these assets. Thank you.